Hello children. In this video lecture I will tell you certain methods of increasing the friction. We already know that friction is desirable in some situations and it is undesirable in certain situations. In certain situations we require friction and there are certain situations in which we don't require any friction. Whenever we require friction, we can increase it by making the surfaces rough, which we have already studied. Must have seen the tires of vehicles. They have tread marks, as you can see in the picture on the screen. आपने शूज में देखा होगा नीचे सोल में ग्रूव्स बने होते हैं. टायर्स में देखा होगा treads and grooves बने होते हैं. Why? Because it improves the grip on the road. Because these treads, this roughness increases the friction to the desired value and help us to avoid any skidding and slipping. और जब ज़्यादा चलने के कारण फ्रिक्शन के जो डिसएडवांटेजेस होते हैं, वियर एंड टियर के बाद टायर को हमें रिप्लेस करना ज़रूरी हो जाता है. समटाइम्स स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन एंड प्लेयर्स they use special types of sports shoes, and these special sports shoes are called as spikes. This helps them to get a better grip on the ground. Athletes and all the sports person, when they play, they make use of friction. All the gymnasts often apply some coarse substance, rough substance or chalk powder on their hands. By doing so, they increase the friction between the hands and uneven bars. It is the same reason that why kabaddi players rub their hands with the soil. Yes, in order to increase the grip on their opponents. Children, there are certain methods by which we can simply reduce the friction. We can reduce the friction, by making the surfaces smooth. The very first method is polishing. When we polish the surface, its roughness, its unevenness, it decreases and the surface becomes smooth and friction gets reduced. When we sometimes rub the surface with sand, it reduces the unevenness. My second method is lubricants. We all know that when few drops of oil is poured on the hinges of the door, जब कभी कोई दरवाज़ा खोलने में या बंद करने में आवाज़ करता है तो what we do? We apply few drops of oils on their hinges and the door moves much smoothly. Bicycles, motors, mechanics, they use grease. They apply grease between the moving parts of the machine. And in all these cases, we want to reduce the friction. And what we are doing? We are reducing the friction by applying lubricants. Or what are lubricants? These are the oil-like substances which are often applied to reduce the friction when put on the surface. Now these lubricants, they may be liquid like oils, they may be semi-liquids like greases, they may be solids like talcum powder. When we apply a then what happens? Why do we apply a lubricant? Because children, when we apply lubricant between the moving parts of a machine, a thin layer of this lubricant is formed between the two surfaces. As the surface now do not rub against each other directly, friction is reduced and interlocking of the irregularities, changed surfaces reduces considerably and our movement becomes smooth. Oiling, greasing of the machine results less wear and tear and hence less energy wasted and more efficiency. Oiling and greasing causes less wear and tear. Number 2, less energy wastage. Number 3, increases the efficiency of the machine. Sometimes we use solid lubricants. A very common example is while playing a carom board, we sprinkle talcum powder on the carom board. Have you ever seen it? You must have seen. Why? Because sprinkling talcum powder, the friction becomes between the striker and the board is much reduced and the striker moves smoothly on the board. In some machines, it is not advised to use oil as a lubricant. An air cushion between the moving parts is often used to reduce the friction. Air cushion. Air is also acts as a lubricant. There is a vehicle known as hovercraft. Hovercraft is such a vehicle which can travel on both land as well as water without much friction. And the lubricant used in hovercraft is air cushion. Compressed and purified air also acts as a lubricant because it provides an elastic cushion between the moving parts, thus reducing the friction. Number 2, it reduces the friction, and it also prevents dust and dirt from collecting on the moving parts. This is the advantage of the air cushion. You must have seen, you already know about the rolling friction. It is much smaller than the sliding friction. Now, sliding friction is often replaced by rolling by using ball bearings. Ball bearings are the small ball-like objects which are used in the shafts of the motor, in dynamos, axle of the vehicles and so on. आपने फैन में भी देखा होगा, जब आप फैन में आवाज़ करने लगता है तो आपने फैन में छोटी छोटी बॉल्स देखी होंगी. These are called as ball bearings. यही ball bearings साइकिल में भी होती हैं. Because these ball bearings, they reduces the friction. Because we know that rolling friction is much lesser than the sliding friction. Hope you have understood this, children.